This session focuses on expanding your nervous system's capacity to safely hold more money without overwhelm, anxiety, pressure, or urgency. Many people believe they want more money, but their body has a limited tolerance for how much it feels safe holding at one time. When money exceeds that threshold, the nervous system may trigger spending, avoidance, procrastination, anxiety, or unconscious loss. This is not a discipline issue. It is a capacity issue. Capacity expansion means teaching the body that larger amounts of money do not equal danger, responsibility overload, loss of freedom, or emotional exposure. The purpose of this session is to gently widen your internal container so abundance can exist without triggering stress responses. As your capacity expands, money no longer feels heavy or urgent. It feels neutral, manageable, and stable. This allows wealth to stay, not just arrive. So sit comfortably with your feet on the floor and your shoulders relaxed. Now close your eyes and take a slow breath in through your nose and release it through your mouth. Again, breathe in deeply, hold it, and let it go. One more steady breath in, hold it, and exhale fully. Now imagine holding more money than you're used to. Not earning it, not spending it, simply holding it. Notice what your body does. Tightness, excitement, fear, or nothing at all are all welcome. This session is about creating safety, not forcing expansion. So start with the karate chop point and repeat after me. Oh, sorry. Karate chop. Even though part of me doesn't feel safe holding more money, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though larger amounts of money feel overwhelmingly, even though larger amounts of money feel overwhelming to my body, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though my nervous system has a limit right now, I choose to expand safely. Eyebrow. Holding more money feels intense. Side of eye. My body tightens around larger amounts. Under eye. This fear of overwhelm. Under nose. This pressure around responsibility. Chin. This discomfort with expansion. Collarbone. My system isn't used to this yet. Underarm. All this tension around receiving more. Top of head. My current money capacity. Eyebrow. Maybe this is just unfamiliar. Side of eye. Maybe my body learned limits. Under eye. Maybe abundance once felt unsafe. Under nose. Maybe I learned to stay below a threshold. Chin. This was about protection, not failure. Collarbone. I honor my nervous system. Underarm. It's allowed to expand now. Top of head. I acknowledge this pattern. Eyebrow. I release fear around holding more. Side of eye. I release fear of responsibility. Under eye. I release fear of losing control. Under nose. I release urgency around money. Chin. I allow expansion to be gradual. Collarbone. I allow ease with abundance. Underarm. I choose safety over pressure. Top of head. My capacity is expanding. Eyebrow. It is safe to hold more money. Side of eye. My body can relax with abundance. Under eye. Money does not overwhelm me. Under nose. I can manage wealth calmly. Chin. I trust myself with larger amounts. Collarbone. My nervous system supports expansion. Underarm. I can hold money with ease. Top of head. I am safe with more. Now let your hands relax. Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and release it gently. Again, breathe in and let it go. Imagine money resting in your life without urgency or pressure. Feel how neutral it can be. Let your body learn that abundance does not require attention. When you feel complete, gently open your eyes.